Here we are, it's the 10th of June, 2024, and I'm just waking up right now, and what I'm feeling is I'm being communicated to with B2K, and I'm also being attacked in the genitals. So this radio frequency is what's hitting me in the genitals. So you hear the sound. Well, that's a violent attack from the military and the intelligence community against a law-abiding American citizen. So now I'm just waking up while I'm over here taking care of a family member, being their caregiver, and you hear this, you see this, what's happening is every single time you hear this strong sound come in, there's a strong radio frequency being shot at me. So you hear this energy, and you see where this is positioned. This is right over my lower body here. Okay? So I'm being shot in the genitals by the military and intelligence community on purpose repeatedly this morning. This is how I was woken up. I was being shot over and over and over again by the military and intelligence community with these radio frequencies. And you can feel this, you can hear this, and with these over my genitals, you can't feel it anymore. You no longer are feeling this incoming pain. And look, you can hear all that activity happening. So I'm absorbing that stream of radio frequency, and now I'm no longer feeling the assault that I'm being attacked with. So this is happening from the military and intelligence community. And this is an incoming attack. First thing in the morning. It's not even 7 in the morning yet. It's 6 something. And this is what I'm shot with, harassed with, whenever they feel like it. Because these people are fucking criminals. The FBI needs to pay out $1 billion to targeted justice. Because look at what's happening to me every single day. And what have they done? They've just enabled this corruption, allowed this corruption to continue. At no point in time did they protect anyone. At no point in time did they investigate anyone. They're enabling this, allowing this. And now they're saying, now the FBI is saying that they can't tell us who's on the list and who's not on the list. Well, the FBI disseminated who was on the terrorist watch list in the early 2000s when they waged a media campaign against Al-Qaeda and Osama bin Laden. So they disseminated who was on the terrorist watch list at that point in time, who was the biggest threat to national security. So then why the fuck would 100 or 200 random people that are improperly placed on the list jeopardize national security? No, what that does is that shows that you guys are committing fucking fraud and that you're liable. And you are not allowed to claim a matter of national security to cover up illegal activity. And that's exactly what's happening. As you can hear from these radios showing that I'm being fucking assaulted with radio frequency shots at my genitals. These people are not smart. There is no radio station that transmits like this. This is all pulse radio frequency warfare. And you hear it. That's why it's making these fucking horrible pulse sounds. So that is not any regular transmission, because you would hear a constant, I don't know, like somebody talking about sports or how fucking stupid Las Vegas is for buying 10 different multi-million-dollar sports teams in one year or within 5 years. But no, you don't hear anything like that. You just hear these pulses of radio frequencies. That is 100% proof that the intelligence community and the military have turned on our American citizens and are now pulsing me in the genitals this morning because they've got nothing better to do. Because the judges are so corrupt across the board that instead of having ethics or integrity, they would rather cover it up for this. And our politicians none of them have enough bravery to stand up to the intelligence community and the military attacking its own citizens like this. And look at how serious and intense this attack is. So that's right into my lap right now, being shot straight down from the ceiling. Whether that be a Jackal drone, Elon Musk satellite, a Lockheed Martin satellite, whatever else. And then the cell towers, we know that they're doing this too. But this is coming directly from the ceiling. So this is going to be an aerial source this morning. It could be a low orbit satellite, could be a drone. But moral of the story is I'm definitely being attacked. This is definitely military and intelligence community. You're encrypting fray effect into this. You're encrypting microwave auditory effect into this, as well as biological attacks. So this is a smoking gun. This is 100% proof. And I'm giving the date, the time that this is happening. The people doing this are logged into a secure system. You're attacking and harassing a law-abiding citizen who is legally bound to be here for the next few hours because I am a caregiver. I can't just walk off because I'm tired of getting shot in the nuts. No, I'm being attacked and harassed while I'm legally bound to be here this morning. These people are fucking pathetic.